Wow! Wow! Yeah! Huh? Mm, 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 mm. Ah! Wow! Wow! Dog! Dinosaur! Lion! Wow! Yeah! Wow! Let me collect this. Wow! I got this stump. I got this elephant. I got this leopard. Oh no! I got this hippo. Hippo guy. I got this leopard with this man. I got this scooter. Wow. Wow. I need to wash them all. Wow. I got this zebra. This is duck. But this is so dirty, guys. Yuck. I have to wash it. I got this lion. Wow, guys. I got this dinosaur. Wow, this is so big. Got this pigeon. Let's go to the wash station. This is my Hello Kitty wash station, and I'm going to wash them all. First of all, I would like to wash this dinosaur. Dinosaur, come on, have a sleep, and I will wash you, guys. This is my wash spray. I hope you like it. Yeah. Wow. Wow. You can see this. How amazing it is. Now oh, wow. And wow, guys. Now I would like to wash the pigeon. What color is this? Wow, guys. Wow. Wow. Station. Now I have this leopard with this man. I'm gonna wash them. Wow, guys. This leopard has cleaned all together. Wow, this is Spider-Man. Wow, guys. Wow. So cool. Wow, look at this. The color of these toys are amazing, man. Now I would like to watch this lion. It's so dirty. Wow, what a lion. How wonderful is this? Now I would like to put it here. Now guys, I would like to wash this. This is a Tom. You can see the color white, but let me show you how it looks like actually. Wow, it's so good. Now let me show you. This is now let me stand it here. Wow, guys, have a shower, Tom. Yeah. So funny. Go there. Guys, I have this hippo. Now I'm gonna wash it. Hippo. Hippo is completely washed. Now it's no more dirty. Wow. Look at this. Just look at my toggery. How much toys are there? I have this elephant. Wow, let me wash it. Elephant have some shower. Wow, what a color. This elephant is so amazing. this. I will watch them all together. Wow, guys. I have this duck right now. Let me wash it. Wow, guys. Look at this. This is so wonderful. Wow, wow, what a duck. Duck, can you go like that? Duck, duck, come on, come on. Wow, guys, put it there. Oh, I have this tiger. Wow, let me wash it. It is dirty. Let me wash the face of this tiger. Wow, wow, this is amazing. This is so good. Ah. Wow, it is completely washed. Yeah. Wow, guys, let me wash them all together. They are so amazing. Wow. Zebra. Reindeer. Wow. Whee, whee, woo. Let me show you. Let me put this all together. Wow, let me wash it all together. Yeah. Guys, like my video. If you do like it, subscribe it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.